Today we're going to test a new vibe coding tool that can create cool websites with just one click. Yes, I'm speaking about DeepSight V2. DeepSight V2 is an AI website builder that utilizes DeepSeek models such as DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1, which is the latest and one of the most powerful AI models. DeepSight V2 is an upgraded version of DeepSight V1, and this is a lot better than the previous version. Let's look at the features of DeepSight V2. At the bottom of the prompt box, you can see two options. The first option allows you to redesign a website. You can simply copy and paste the URL of the website and redesign it as you wish. The second option is used to invite your friends and coworkers. Regarding the preview, we have both chat mode and preview mode. Using this Load Existing Project option, we can load an existing project from Hugging Face, which is an easy way to build. Using the Save option, we can save and deploy our project with a single click. This makes the deployment easy and save us quite some time. At the bottom right corner, we have options to switch between desktop and mobile views of our application so that we can test the responsiveness of the application. Lastly, we have the DeepSight Gallery, which showcases websites built using the DeepSight Website Builder. You can click on any of these websites and preview them. Now, I am going to ask DeepSight to build a home inventory website. This website will include basic features such as adding, deleting, and modifying items, and it also includes advanced features like sorting by category and location, uploading images, local storage, and themes. I have shared the prompt in the description for your reference. And I am going to use DeepSeek R1 model to build this website. For the interface, I don't have any particular suggestion, so I'm going to toggle the auto provider option. Let's enter the prompt and wait for the response. Guys, look at the speed of generation. I never thought it would be this fast. I think by 2026, the speed of AI website generation will match that of AI image generation. Boom. Our website is ready and let's try using it. First, I'm going to check whether the dark and light mode works. Yes, it works perfectly. Now let's try to add an item. Cool, it included all the fields we asked for, including image attachment. Let me fill in the details quickly. I'm gonna add oil to the inventory. Actually, a home inventory website isn't easy to build. If this AI manages to build one perfectly, it means it's a great vibe coding tool. Amazing. The item is stored perfectly. It also included the details we filled in. Let's try to edit the item. I am going to change the description to cooking oil 2 liters. Let's click the Save option. Yes, it works. Look, the description is updated. Finally, I am going to delete this item. So let's click on the Delete option. Yes, it's gone. So, the basic features of the website are working perfectly. Now let's check the advanced features. I have added 3 items to this list, and each one belongs to a different category. Let's check if the sorting function works correctly. Cool, we can sort the list based on categories, locations, and various options like date from oldest to newest, name from A to Z and Z to A, etc. One more point is all the options like total items, total value, and locations and updated perfectly. So the website works really well. Let's try to modify the website. So in the prompt box I'm gonna say, change the primary theme to pale green. Near the prompt box, there's an option called Diff Patch Update. If you enable this option, the system will identify the specific lines of code that need modification, change only those portions, and then provide the result. However, if this option is disabled, the entire code will be reviewed and changed according to the prompt. We don't actually need that full review, as this option allows us to easily and quickly modify the code. Let's enter the prompt and wait for the reply. Boom. We've modified the website, and as you can see, the theme color has changed from blue to a pale green. Amazing. It works perfectly. That's it, guys, we built an entire application within 5 minutes. This demonstrates the power of DeepSeek R1 and DeepSight. What will you build with this tool? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.